My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expeditor business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.
Hey guys, welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. Today's video, I'm at Penske over here at Los Indias. Same place I was here yesterday. But yesterday I came here, pick up a load, took it to Laredo. They paid me round trip like 400 miles. But today I drove here straight from Laredo to 200 miles to pick up a load that was supposed to be ready at 3:30. I came here at 2:30, you know, just a little bit earlier, you know. But guess what? Right now it's 5:08 and that load has been delayed till tomorrow. So tomorrow like 3 p.m. So my whole day. They said a truck is not going to make it. But I was really hoping to make a really positive video today, picking up a load, heading down to Kentucky, guys. And I mean, it is Saturday, and I didn't actually stay in Texas, in Laredo, Texas, not even a single day, guys. I was able to just get in, get out. You know, basically this is gonna be like my second load, and this is going to Kentucky. Got a show in the back. Okay, guys, good to go. So another interesting thing, I met one of the drivers from my company. He's picking up a load going to Chicago from the same place. He deadheaded nearly 300 miles from San Antonio, and I deadheaded 200 miles from Laredo. So, man, it would have been nice to drive over the weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, get the load there Monday, because that would be a really nice drive before the Thanksgiving. So now I'm gonna go with one of the drivers. Let me show you his van. This is the driver that I met here from my company. Actually recognized me from my channel, and we're gonna go and get something to eat, and then I get some sleep and come back at 3 here to this place. Hopefully it doesn't cancel in the meantime, because when these things happen, you just don't know what's gonna happen. You know, do we have the load or not? But if you guys are doing Expedite and you're pretty much familiar with this type of stuff, you know, comment, I guess, right below. You know, if this happens to you more than it should, because it seems like it's happening a lot, you know. So it's just everybody's, you know, that's doing this Expedite thing. You have to deal with this. Hey guys, if you love Texas, one of the restaurants you might want to visit is Roadhouse, Texas. Guys, let me show you something. This is quite First you go in here, and up ahead you check in, and look at this. So you check in over here, and in case you need to wait, you come here. Well, there's a bucket. You grab yourself a handful of these. So this is one of my friends I just met. So explain, how does this work? What do you do here?
Hi guys. This is a pleasure to have a nice video about Texas. I'm original from Romania, but I've been in Texas for 14 years. So it's one of my favorite places to be and dine in, and it's very fun. You're gonna have fun, brother.
So he took me to basically one of these nice places and showed me. So how are you supposed to eat these peanuts the right way?
You just get the peanuts out of that big barrel, and you just chunk them, and just throw them on the floor and have a good time.
Yeah, so take a look at the floor, guys. You know, I'm thinking Russians will fit right in. They always like to make mess in Russia. So if you want to make a mess, come to Texas, to this restaurant. You could basically throw this on the floor, you know. So guys, our order came up. We gotta head right in to our table. Looks like there's some stuff in here, kitchen, some meat.
Then we have some extra buttermilk. We like
Do you want regular or cinnamon?
and cinnamon. I like both.
That's the entrance. So they check you in. So what an interesting experience, guys. Believe it or not, these peanuts, I still got them left. We really did not have to sit more than 5 minutes. but you throw them on the floor as well, inside of the restaurant. Like this is Texas Pride. So you just make a mess basically, and then they clean it up. The whole floor is basically a mess with these shells here. So we just got a table right there. Guys, meet my friend again. So what's your name?
My name is Benny Gog. Benny?
Benny.
Yes.
So basically Benny. Benny's from Romania.
We work for the same company.
Yep, same company.
Actually.
Okay, sounds good. So basically we work at the same company, and what an interesting experience. We actually just met up at one of the locations. Actually never met this driver before, but if you guys meet me somewhere, if you know my channel, we'll also go sit down, eat something, you know. So go ahead, Benny, what were you gonna say?
I'm gonna say I've been doing this business for quite a bit, so I've been on the road like my buddy does. So we thought this night to come out and have a good dinner together, which I suggest in this place. I've been in Texas, like I said before, for 14 years. I love Texas. My family's from Texas. My wife's family's from Texas.
Wow. You actually
So
live
we
in
got a little
Texas.
bit of Russian live in Texas.
Waco, Texas, guys.
It's a cool place to dine in.
And I know what Mason's saying, don't mess with Texas.
That's true. Do not mess with Texas. Respect Texas, and you will be always respected.
Guys, isn't it interesting that English language is bringing all of us together? I don't speak Romanian. He does not speak Russian. Or do
No,
you?
sir.
So I actually seen some Romanian language text. It don't look nothing like Russian, so I'm thinking, I don't know what it is. But English is bringing everybody together.
Yes. And he wants the same thing I want.
So Benny, what are we ordering?
Yes, this evening we're gonna have the single pork chop, the grilled pork chop. It's gonna be a single for $9.99 and comes with mashed potatoes, comes with a fully loaded baked potato or French fries, and also comes with house salad with ranch, and you can have some spread of onions, grilled onions and mushrooms.
Man, that sounds delicious.
So yes, it's gonna be a big meal we're gonna show in a minute, and we're gonna enjoy it.
Just ordered some food. So Benny, what do you like about this place?
I like everything. I like the service. I like the food quality. It's one of the goodest restaurants in Texas you can have. The quality of the food is pretty good. I cannot down how good it is, but for me it's really good. And I order sometimes steaks. They are having different steaks, good steaks, really good cook. Depends how you prefer it. But my favorite, as a European, my favorite food is a pork chop. That's why I like the pork steak, and it's really good. It's enjoyable.
I never been to this place, but I like steaks. But I decided to have some pork chops instead because I might as well try something new today. And I think in Texas they know how to do the pork chops the right way, so
Yes.
might as well try that, like barbecue and stuff. But this place is really homey. I really like it. Like it's definitely like a unique experience. And there's always a bucket of these peanuts here, some bread with butter. And is the service fast here?
The service is really fast, and they bring you really good food at the table. Most of the time, I've been here as a VIP member,
Oh yeah, he's a VIP, guys.
and
Very important.
I never had a complaint during these 14 years. I never had one complaint for the food. That was my lucky part.
Now, if they could only make it free, that would make it better, right?
Depends.
We could always wish, right?
Yes.
Sellers basically came. We had ordered the same thing, but man, they look good. Looks delicious. Very good. This is pork chop smothered in onions and mushrooms. There's mustard dipping sauce, and then there's this gravy dipping sauce right here. So supposedly this stuff is very. Try this. Wow.
Actually, it's really fresh. You barely
This is
gotta
so
take your
delicious.
time.
Good stuff, guys. If you're in Texas, definitely stop by here. I am stuffed. It's time to head out of here. Very nice place. Lovely. Completely enjoyed it. Guys, I guess this is some more of the experience. A little bit of something for everybody, guys.